Hello guys, are you in a market for a new drone to shoot some high-quality videos? Then you have come to the right place. In this video, we are going to look at 3 best drones for videography in 2024. Links to the products you can find in the video description. Let's get started. Number 1 on this list is DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is an exceptional lightweight drone, designed for both aspiring videographers and seasoned professionals. Weighing under 249 grams, it's compact, portable, and compliant with many drone regulations worldwide, meaning you can take it almost anywhere without additional licensing hassles. Despite its small size, it packs a powerful punch with its 4K HDR camera and 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, delivering stunningly detailed and vibrant footage. The high dynamic range ensures that your videos and photos look impressive, even in challenging lighting conditions like sunrise or sunset. This drone comes loaded with intelligent shooting features that make professional-grade videography accessible to everyone. Features like Active Track 360 degrees allow the Mini 4 Pro to lock onto and follow subjects smoothly, while Master Shots automates the process of capturing complex cinematic shots, giving your content a polished and dynamic edge. Vertical shooting mode is perfect for social media creators, enabling direct uploads without cropping. Safety is another area where the Mini 4 Pro shines. With omnidirectional obstacle sensing, the drone can detect obstacles in all directions, giving you the confidence to fly in challenging environments or tight spaces. Its robust flight capabilities include resistance to wind and stable hovering, ensuring that your shots remain smooth and professional, even in less than ideal weather. Plus, the DJI O4 transmission system provides a live feed up to 20 kilometers away, with minimal latency for uninterrupted control and real-time monitoring. Offering up to 34 minutes of flight time on a single charge, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is perfect for long shoots, whether you're capturing cinematic sequences, travel vlogs, or commercial real estate footage. It's a versatile all-in-one drone for creating breathtaking aerial content, combining advanced technology with ease of use. Number 2 on this list is DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a powerhouse for videographers seeking unparalleled quality and versatility in a drone. Boasting a triple camera system, it revolutionizes aerial videography with a 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, a medium telephoto camera, and a telephoto lens. This unique setup allows you to switch seamlessly between wide-angle, mid-range, and long-range perspectives, enabling creative flexibility unmatched by other drones. Whether you're filming vast landscapes, close-ups, or intricate details, the Mavic 3 Pro delivers stunning 5.1K video and 20MP photos with incredible clarity and dynamic range. The Hasselblad camera ensures exceptional color accuracy, making post-production work a breeze. With the 10-bit D-Log M color profile, the Mavic 3 Pro captures a broader range of colors and details, perfect for professional-grade editing. Its advanced low-light performance ensures crisp footage even in dim conditions, making it ideal for sunset or sunrise shoots. For serious filmmakers, the drone's Apple ProRes support offers unmatched quality and editing flexibility. Coupled with 1 terabyte of internal storage in the Cine version, the Mavic 3 Pro is built for demanding production workflows. Meanwhile, its extended 43-minute flight time lets you capture more in a single session, whether you're shooting cinematic sequences or expansive aerial footage. Safety and precision are priorities for the Mavic 3 Pro, with omnidirectional obstacle sensing and the advanced APAS 5.0 system to ensure smooth, safe flights. The DJI O3 Plus transmission system provides a crisp live feed up to 15 kilometers away, so you can plan your shots in real time without interruptions. Intelligent flight features such as Focus Track and Master Shots further simplify complex maneuvers and creative storytelling, giving even beginners the tools to produce professional-grade results. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or an enthusiast looking to elevate your content, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro sets a new benchmark for videography drones in 2024, combining cutting-edge technology with exceptional ease of use. Number 3 on this list is DJI Air 3S. The DJI Air 3S is a versatile, compact drone that delivers exceptional performance for videographers looking to capture cinematic quality footage without the bulk of larger drones. Equipped with a dual camera system, including a 1-inch wide-angle sensor and a 3x telephoto lens, the Air 3S offers stunning 4K/60 FPS video and 48 MP photos. This setup provides unparalleled flexibility, allowing you to seamlessly switch between dramatic wide shots and close-up details, perfect for storytelling and creative filming. One of the standout features of the Air 3S is its excellent low-light performance, ensuring vibrant and noise-free footage even during sunrise, sunset, or in challenging lighting conditions. It supports the D-Log-M color profile for professional-grade post-production, preserving more details and color accuracy for dynamic and visually striking videos. The Air 3S boasts a generous flight time of up to 46 minutes, giving creators more time in the sky to perfect their shots. Its O4 transmission system ensures a reliable, crystal-clear live feed from up to 20 kilometers away, providing uninterrupted control and visibility during shoots. With omnidirectional obstacle sensing and the Advanced Pilot Assistance System, APAS 5.0, the Air 3S offers enhanced safety and smooth navigation, even in complex environments. Intelligent flight modes such as Master Shots, Spotlight 2.0, and Active Track 5.0 make it easy to execute dynamic and creative shots, whether you're tracking a moving subject or capturing cinematic landscapes. Its compact design and lightweight build make it travel-friendly, ensuring you can bring it along on all your adventures without sacrificing quality or performance. Whether you're a professional videographer or a hobbyist wanting to elevate your content, the DJI Air 3S combines advanced features, exceptional camera quality, and user-friendly controls in a sleek, portable package, making it one of the best drones for videography in 2024. And that's it for this video about 3 best drones for videography in 2024. If you liked the video, make sure to press the like button, leave a feedback in the comment section, and subscribe to receive updates about new videos. See you next time.